The new counter-terrorism law. It incorporates many of the special powers given to the police under the state of emergency. The Interior Minister says it's a way of combating an ongoing threat.
We are still in a state of war, even if ISIL may have suffered some military defeats.
More than 200 people have been killed in attacks in France in the past 2 years. In Marseille, people pay tribute to the latest victims, 2 women killed in the city's train station on Sunday. Under the new law, police can raid homes and arrest suspects without warrants and place people under house arrest without a judge's authorization. While the government says that the new law will protect people, critics say it gives the police far too much power and will lead to human rights abuses. They say France will be under a permanent state of emergency.
Suddenly we find ourselves with a law which integrates the tools of the state of emergency, but without the country being in exceptional circumstances.
It's a prospect which frightens Tony. A few days after the Paris attacks in 2015, police raided his house during the night, terrifying him and his young children.
I found myself on the floor, face down, hands tied, my children and wife taken to the back. They shouted, "Where are the weapons?"
Placed under house arrest until a court declared his innocence, he believes he was targeted for being Muslim and belonging to a shooting club.
C'est clair, faut mettre les choses à leur place.
If you shoot for sport and you are a Muslim, it's not acceptable. It was before the attacks, but now it's assumed you are a terrorist.
The government's due to lift the state of emergency next month, but Tony worries that the new law will encourage discrimination and lead to other French people having their lives turned upside down. Natasha Butler, Al Jazeera, Paris.